Good morning! So we have slept the second night in the camper. This time it was a bit more warm. Mike had a really good blanket system. And yeah, now we're having breakfast.
Luxury breakfast. Just exactly how I want it. Alright, good morning guys. So this is the part we check out of Lake Tekapo holiday park. We're gonna do the wastage at the dump station, and over here is our fresh water. So basically we're gonna have to refill that, and there's a water tank there, and also the wastage tank.
Let's go.
So let's start with the easy one first, the fresh water. Well, one of these will be one of the one. So easy. There we go. So that's one. And then where's the black ones? Yeah. So this is the wastage hose. You know, look at it in a black, which is easily labeled. So what we're going to do is have this. Open this up. Oh, that's just beautiful. Make sure you have breakfast before. Tuck it in there. Open this up. Okay, very important. Get rid of this first. Connect this one here. Like that, nice and flush. Close it. This, but that will do. That's tight enough. And then there's a lever here. This one. There it is. By the way, this is not really that nice to look at, but this is not our pee or this is kitchen
the
stuff.
Water, yeah, we use to wash our dishes.
And then while we wait, this is our first water tank. So put one of these first. Yep, and they're ready. Not too much. Slowly do it, because you'll get bubbles in it. Okay. And slightly more. Am I allowed to go here?
And we're leaving.
Goodbye, my lover.
But first, we stop at our favorite place. Britz, our camper van. I will show you a little bit inside. So, we tied it a little bit up so it looks nice and neat and clean. We have folded the bed. Right now it's also better to drive because you can actually look outside. If you don't want the bed and if you want a table, you can just put the whole thing up against the wall, but then you can't look outside. But the camper van has a reverse camera, so it's not a problem at all. How you can see, we have a microwave, which is pretty cool, but you can only use it if we are plugged in to a power. So if we have a power campsite. Here we cook. If you want to cook, you need to put this glass thing up. And then it's powered with gas. We have an LPG bottle outside, which I will show you. Here's the sink. If you want to use the water, you need to plug the water pump, and then we have the light. Show you. It's too dark right now. It's too light right now. And then we have the fridge, which is always on, of course. I can open it for you. There's a lot of things already inside. For cooking later as well. We brought our fairy lights again to make it a little bit more comfy. I bought this one from Kmart because yeah, it just looks better and it's more comfy. And then we have a lot of storage underneath the bed, which we put our suitcase and backpacks. We also have a lot of storage on the side underneath. Then here is our dishes and our fry pans, saucepans. If you drive, make sure these things are inside so they can't open. But if they are not inside, they can open while driving. And it happened to us with this one here. It always keeps coming out and it's pretty annoying and I think not good as well. There's our forks and knives. Then here the driver area. A lot of storage as well. You can open this one. And yeah, I think that's, yeah. If you look up here, here is a lot of storage as well, which you can put a lot of things. And then if you drive, you just put this one up so they can't slide. Yeah, here we just put a little bit like disinfection wipes and our sponge to clean the dishes. And yeah, that's it. And we are currently still in Lake Tekapo, and it just looks amazing. The sun came out, this night it rained, but now it's so beautiful.
So here we are, still parked up at Lake Tekapo. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Yeah, we're just chilling and just enjoying some more time here by the lake, taking some photos and videos. Carina did have some photo shoots on the bed, didn't we? Yeah. So I think before we hit the road, before we head to Mount Cook, we're just gonna head down to the main town, the small town, perhaps grab some lunch, and then maybe drive past that old church, what is it called? The Church of God Shepherd, which might be worth it. But yeah. How was your sleep?
Not bad.
It was much better. It was much better. Carina did say that she mentioned that earlier that I had a nice bed system, so it's good. I'm just gonna take some more photos, just a bit quickly, and then we'll prep the van, and then we're gonna be heading down to Mount Cook. It's gonna be exciting because tomorrow we've got some cool things to do, and today, if we're lucky, if the weather is good, we might even do a hike. We'll tell you more about it once we get there.
And here we are at Foursquare doing some grocery a little bit. Yeah, it's a bit expensive, but it's okay.
I gotta love Foursquare. They've been here before, Pack and Save. So, yeah.
Okay.
But it's a beautiful place.
He just stood in shit. Baby.
That's not true. That's
You're
just
not allowed in the camper anymore.
And some drinks on the road. That's not what it is.
Please take your receipt.
So, what did you get for lunch?
Foursquare. Crispy chicken on rice. Typical me, you know. That's the
What
way
did
to do
I
it.
get? A burger. With chicken?
It's a cordon bleu burger.
Cordon bleu. Yeah, cordon bleu I like to eat in Germany, but I'm not sure. I think here it tastes a bit different. And where are we going now?
We are going to Mount Cook because we're about to do the famous trek, which is called the Hooker Valley. So if the weather is nice and it doesn't rain on us, we'll definitely go. But if it's cloudy, I think it'll still be good. But we're very excited. I think it's about an hour drive.
And I'm excited how cold it is there. We will
Anyway,
see.
we're just gonna quickly eat.
Bye bye.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
You have arrived.
So this is where we'll be staying for the night. It's called Whitehorse Hill. Sorry, it's called Whitehorse Hill, and it's a dock site. All right, so we made it to our base camp for tonight. And this is called the Whitehorse Hill. This is the dock site, and then we pay $15 per night for one person. So I think it'll cost us about $30. But we just have to register, so here we are. So day 3 has come to an end. Just cooked some dinner. Today we're having nachos. So
Yeah, nachos.
nacho.
If you like nachos, comment below. We love nachos, but we can't eat too much of them. It's not very healthy.
It's not very healthy.
And I'm wearing my glasses, my anti-blue light glasses from Canturo. The delivery took ages, but I'm pretty happy with the glasses. I look like a grandma or like a teacher, but yeah. So check them out, guys.
So yeah, if you guys did see just before, I'm just about to finish the registration for our dock site that we're staying at. Pretty much the only one, or the closest one, pretty much right here at the Hooker Valley track. So yeah, we're gonna finish the registration after dinner, since we arrived late and we can't pay cash since we don't have cash. So what we're gonna do is just gonna fill it up anyway and wait for the park ranger tomorrow in the morning to collect payment and stuff like that. Anyway, it's almost ready. Not sure if you guys can see that. It's pretty dark. Nothing too special in terms of that, but it's camp food, you know? Yeah.